Who is the door? The Son. Can you please read that? I am the door. Everybody says, you are the door.
You are the door.
You are the way.
You are the way.
Pag may gumamit sa pangalang yan, hindi dumaan sa akin, alam niyo kung ano yun? Tulisan. Magnanakaw yan. Nagnanakaw ng mga tupa yan. Pagka magnanakaw ka ng tupa, ano ka? Lobo. Tapos ginagamit mo yung pangalan, you are a wolf in sheep's clothing. Hindi ka na makapagtatago ngayon. Please read.
Yes, Pastor, in John chapter 10, starting verse 1, Verily, verily, I say unto you, he that entereth not by the door into the sheepfold, but climbeth up some other way, the same is a thief and a robber.
You read, I am the door.
Yes, Pastor, in verse 9, I am the door. By me, if any man enter in, he shall be saved.
The Son is the door. When you enter into the door, who is the Son, you will be saved. Then read that verse that you read a while ago.
Yes, Pastor, in John chapter 10, verse 9, I am the door. By me, if any man enter in, he shall be saved, and shall go in and out and find pasture. And verse 1 and 2, Verily, verily, I say unto you, he that entereth not by the door.
He that entereth not by the door, they don't go through me, they bypass me, they don't recognize me, and then they put up a name. What are they?
Verily, verily, I say unto you, he that entereth not by the door into the sheepfold, but climbeth up some other way.
Into the sheepfold, nagnanakaw ng mga tao, ng mga kaluluwa ng tao, na ang may-ari, ang anak lang. But they climb other way. Gumawa sila ng kanilang grupo-grupo. Naglalagay din ng karatula.
Verily, verily, I say unto you, he that entereth not by the door into the sheepfold, but climbeth up some other way, the same is a thief and a robber.
Yan ay magnanakaw at tulisan ng mga kaluluwa. Lobo yan. So pagka naghanap kayo ng tunay na Jesus Christ na hindi peke, tingnan ninyo may pangalang bago sa ilalim. Ano yung pangalan? Pag wala yung pangalan yan, ibang daan ang dinaanan yan. Nagnanakaw ng tupa yan. Get out from there because that is a thief and a robber. And a thief and a robber, John 10:10 says, who is that?
Yes, Pastor, John chapter 10, verse 10, the thief cometh not, but for to steal, and to kill, and to destroy.
The thief cometh not, but for to steal, to kill, and to destroy. Dumating yan para magnakaw, pumatay, pumaslang, magkalat ng inyong kaluluwa. Saan kayo dadalhin yan? Impyerno. Kasi ang daan isa lang. Isa lang ang pultahan. Isa lang ang pintuan. Ang anak lang ang pintuan.